let's make something. This is my portable work table. It's filled with junk. Let's clean it. So what I need to make here is an overhead rig, so I can film like this. Japanese saw is nice. I need to put this one in the middle. But when I made this table, this is not flush. So we need to solve it somehow. It's kind of flush. Like this. It's good. No. Wobbly. So the next problem we have is we need to stabilize this corner so it's level, not level. Like so. Oh shit. So now I can do this. I need more light. This is 12 volts. So this should go in here. Yes, it's a bit bent. Hey, nice. I'm thinking I can use this hole to mount it here. Pretty dim. One light and the second light. Boom. And attached to that broomstick, we have an arm attached to the ZV-1, and as you can see, an overhead.